Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. Our VTube-LASER software is represented by partners worldwide. In today's video, I'd like to show you VTube-LASER running with a HEXAGON arm in the Transfluid Simpsonville, South Carolina factory. We're going to actually correct a tube bending machine in real time in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. The corrections loop process starts by bending a copper HVAC tube in a Transfluid left-right bender. This is the nominal part inside VTube-LASER. You can see that it has one 180-degree bend and two 90s. For this video, we underbent the part noticeably so that you can see that the corrections loop is working. Now at the VTube-LASER workstation, the operator measures the tube shape. VTube starts with end A, and then the operator measures the first straight. And then because there is a 180-degree bend, VTube uses a special split bend measurement you see him using here. Now he finishes the measurement with the rest of the straights and end B. Next, he instructs VTube to build a measured tube and then align that measured tube to the master part. VTube shows that the part is way out of tolerance, and so we enter bender setup and send corrections to the bender control. This can be performed through a standard wire network or Wi-Fi or through a thumb drive. The operator accepts the corrections at the bender control, then loads and bends the corrected part. Now it's time to measure the part again in VTube-LASER to confirm that it is the correct shape. And now VTube shows all green in the tangent midpoint tangent grid, which means the shape qualifies. Now we'll print a report showing the part is good and the correction loop is finished. So as you can see in the video, VTube-LASER connects directly to Transfluid for bender corrections. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.